Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of a Craftsman Brushless RP Runtime Performance CMCS650B. This is their 20 volt variable speed jigsaw tool only. I saw this in the stores. I've never had a brushless Craftsman before. I have plenty other 20 volt Craftsman tools. They had three different options available. They had I think it was $89 for the standard 20 volt. They had one that was $120, and this one I think came in around $130 because it is brushless and has some other features that looked interesting. Alright, we got our instruction manual. Looks like we have one free blade, and that's not going to get us very far. Craftsman wood blade, N570118. An empty box, and the tool. So I've had other tools like this. It's pretty heavy. Now this is the tool only. I have a 4 amp hour battery just because I have plenty of their tools. It locks in pretty well. One thing I don't like is the fact that they don't include that free belt strap. I feel like that clamp should be in these kits for free. We got our lock here, go, no go. Alright, this model does have a variable speed, so the harder you pull down, the faster the blade will go. Like I said, there's the lock, unlock button. They have the tool release. Looks like everything in there is pretty well greased already. Let's try to load this blade up and see what it can do. Pull this and push in. See if we can get that on camera. And there, that's ready to go. Now there is a keyless bevel lever, so we should be able to get a 45 degree by moving this. There we go. Either way. That is a nice feature. And again, that lock is just right here. So now we are locked into 90 degrees. Pull this. Now we're locked into 45 degrees. What I do like is the fact, right here you can see, they put in 2 LEDs to clear your workspace. Let me just take this blade out real quick. So there's 2 LEDs in there. That's always great because I find myself training quite a bit. Another feature that was advertised, there's supposed to be a fan in here, or some way that maybe it's the friction of the mechanism going up, that they focus that air onto the workpiece to blow out anything that you're cutting, because I usually find myself blowing to get those chips away so you can continue to see your line. Let me get this back to 90. Okay, I got a piece of scrap plywood clamped to my table. I'm going to just make a simple cut right here on the end because this is plywood. In this day and age, it's expensive. So I'm going to load in the wood cutting bit that they supplied with the tool with my battery. Put on my safety gear. Like I said, I'm just going to make a small cut, see how well it handles. that was pretty impressive. It didn't slow down, it didn't get bogged down. It made clear work, kept cutting and turning with no issue. The fan, or however they have that situated, does blow the excess sawdust away so that it doesn't stay in your way. And like I said, that light is a great feature. I don't know why they just don't put that on all the tools. Well, that's my unboxing for the Craftsman Brushless RP 0 to 3200 no load SPM variable speed jigsaw. Their SKU number is CMCS650B. I'm going to be using it a lot today and tomorrow, so I'll be able to really get a feel for how it handles under a workload. But yeah, I'm impressed so far with just that quick cut, and like I said, the features that I looked into over the other standard ones, it seemed to outweigh the price. For a few dollars more, you get the brushless, and the LED in that fan is a great way to go.